The two TH sounds, voiceless and voiced sounds, English in color. So, voiceless and voiced sounds. Voiceless, voiced. F, f, f. V, v, v. S, s, s. Z, z, z. Th, th, th. V, v, v. So, voiced, the word endings, th and e. Bath, bathe. Cloth, clothe. Breath, breathe. Smooth, there's no e. Exception. Okay. Voiced th, the. Midword, th and e. Mother, father, weather, bother, feather. There's more. Okay, so all words beginning with voiced th, beginning with the. There are only 13 words now. They are the, they, there, then, them, though, thus, this, that, these, those. Okay. There are 9 old words we don't use. Thee, thence, thilk, thine, thither, thou, thy, thine, thyself. Don't use these. So let's try reading. We have a, e, I, o, u, oi, ow, th, v, th. Okay. They bathed themselves and washed their clothes. They bathed themselves and washed their clothes. That man thought there were 3 brothers together. That man thought there were 3 brothers together. Throwing these things is nothing like throwing those. Throwing these things is nothing like throwing those. And one more. There's that thespian who thinks he talks smooth. There's that thespian who thinks he talks smooth.